June 15 is less than 2 weeks away. Anthropic just split your Claude subscription in two. Interactive usage and programmatic usage are now separate pools with separate budgets. Most users have no idea this is happening. This video covers exactly what's changing, who's affected, and the 3 things you need to do before June 15. Here's what's changing. Anthropic is splitting your subscription into 2 pools starting June 15. Pool 1 is interactive. This is Claude.ai chat on web, desktop, and mobile, Cowork, and Claude Code when you use it interactively in your terminal. Nothing changes here. Pool 2 is programmatic. This is the Agent SDK, Claude-P in non-interactive mode, Claude Code running in GitHub Actions, and any third-party tools that authenticate through the Agent SDK. This pool moves to a new monthly credit system billed at full API rates. Let's be clear about what stays the same. If you use Claude.ai to chat, plan, write, or research, nothing changes. If you use Cowork for file management and task workflows, nothing changes. If you open Claude Code in your terminal and type commands interactively, nothing changes. All of these continue drawing from your normal subscription limits exactly as they do today. If this is how you use Claude, you don't need to do anything before June 15. Here's what moves to the new credit pool. The Agent SDK, any app or custom script calling Claude programmatically. Claude-P in non-interactive mode, running Claude Code in pipes or automation scripts. Claude Code in GitHub Actions, CI/CD pipelines, automated PR reviews, code generation bots, and third-party agent tools that authenticate through the Agent SDK. The test is simple. If Claude is being called by code rather than by you sitting at a keyboard, it's programmatic and it moves to the credit pool. The new monthly credit amounts. Pro plan users get $20 per month in programmatic credit. Max 5X users get $100. Max 20X users get $200. Team plans get $20 per seat on standard and $100 per seat on premium. These credits are billed at full API rates and expire at the end of each billing cycle. They do not roll over. You must claim your credit once. Anthropic sends a claim email before June 15, and after that it auto-refreshes each month. Why is Anthropic doing this? The math is straightforward. A pro subscriber pays $20 a month, but heavy agent users were getting the equivalent of $300 to $600 worth of API compute for that same $20, a 15 to 30 times subsidy. That was never sustainable. The switch to agents changed everything because automated workflows burn through tokens at a rate no human could match. Chat is efficient. Agents are not. All-you-can-eat AI was designed for humans. Agents broke the model. Here's the honest answer. Most Claude users won't notice this change at all. You're completely unaffected if you use Claude.ai to chat, write, or do research. You're unaffected if you use Cowork for file access and session management. You're unaffected if you use Claude Code in your terminal interactively. And you're unaffected if you don't run automated scripts or use third-party agent tools. If that's you, nothing changes on June 15. Your subscription works exactly the same. Who does need to act before June 15? First, developers using the Agent SDK, any custom app or script that calls Claude directly through the SDK now comes from your credit pool. Second, anyone running Claude Code in CI/CD, GitHub Actions, automated code reviews, and PR generation bots all move to credit. Third, users of third-party agent tools that authenticate via the Agent SDK, check the tool's documentation to see if this applies. Fourth, anyone running Claude-P scripts in batch or automation workflows. If any of these sound like you, keep watching. Let's look at what full API pricing actually means for your usage. Haiku 4.5 costs 80 cents per million input tokens and $4 per million output tokens, the cheapest option and ideal for high-volume automated tasks. Sonnet 4.6, the standard model, costs $3 input and $15 output per million tokens. Opus 4.7 costs $5 input and $25 output per million tokens. To put this in perspective, a typical agent workflow on Sonnet that uses 50,000 input tokens and 10,000 output tokens costs about 30 cents per run. Run it 100 times a month and that's $30, already over the pro credit limit. 3 things to do before June 15. First, check if you're affected. Go to Claude Settings, then Usage, and look for any Agent SDK activity. If you see none, you're done. Second, if you are affected, claim your credit. Anthropic is sending a claim email before June 15. You must click it once to activate your credit pool. After that, it auto-refreshes every billing cycle. Don't miss this email. Third, audit your agent token usage. Switch high-volume automated tasks from Sonnet or Opus to Haiku 4. 5. The quality difference for repetitive structured tasks is minimal, but the cost difference is significant. The bigger picture. In a Fried at Axios put it well, all-you-can-eat AI subscriptions may not survive the agent era, where software can burn through computing resources far faster than humans ever could. Anthropic is the first major AI provider to make this split explicit. Others will follow. The key distinction going forward: interactive usage, you talking to Claude, is still heavily subsidized by your subscription. Automated programmatic usage is not. As AI agents become more powerful and more widely used, the cost structures around them will keep evolving. June 15 is the first version of what that looks like. 3 things to do this week before June 15. 1. Go to Claude Settings and check usage for any Agent SDK activity. 2. Look for Anthropic's claim email and click it to activate your credit. 3. If you run automated workflows, switch the heavy ones to Haiku 4. 5. To stay within your monthly credit. New Claude lesson every week. Subscribe so you don't miss what changes next.